How do I request a punch change? It's simple. Navigate to Time Management, Web Timesheet Read Only. Tap on the incorrect or missing punch. From the pop-up window, you can request the punch be deleted or correct any information, such as the date, type of punch, time, or the allocation. If your company's policy requires you to give a reason, you can do so here. When done, tap Add Request. To add a new punch, tap the blue plus sign and choose Request New Punch. Then, enter the details and tap Add Request. To see your existing punch change requests, navigate to Time Management, Punch Change Requests. Here, you can find your request and its status. That's it. Pretty simple, right?